All right, we're going to do the last skill, difference of perfect squares. Let me show you how those work by hand. So with the difference of squares, you're going to really just kind of write it. Take that first term and last term. One's going to have a plus, one's going to have a minus. So let's think of the 100. The square root of 100, that should be, you should know that's 10, but you can do SQRT 100 just to verify it's 10. So since it starts with 100, it's going to start with 10. And then it ends with minus x squared. So it's going to have x and x. So those two should multiply because that's 100 minus 10x. The whole point of the plus and minus is to cancel them out. So the plus 10x and then minus x squared. And those cancel. So it's going to be 100 minus x squared. So that's correct. We can verify that that's correct in your graph if you'd like. You just do 100 minus x squared, and then you would do 10 plus x and 10 minus x. There you go. So one's got a plus, one's got a minus. Let's do another one. All right, this one here, you got two numbers, so 4 minus 9x squared. We do the square root of the 4, square root of 9x squared, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of x squared is x, so it's going to be 2 plus 3x and 2 minus 3x. 2 plus 3x, 2 minus 3x. And always have a plus or minus between them. You can verify that in the graph as well, but I think that makes sense. So we're going to just type that in. And let's do one more. Let me show you the cautions of having using the graph for these. So let's see if I did 36 minus x squared. Well, all right, so if I did this the way I did before, if I click on my 2 points of intersection, the zeros, I get negative 6 and 6. So I might think, all right, x plus 6 and x minus 6. Problem is those aren't the same graphs, right? The issue is I have a negative x squared. So one of these has to be negative. So if you throw a negative out front, it flips it over, right? So technically that is the same as that, but I don't think it's going to allow for that in your answer, but I'll double check that. If it does, you feel free to do it like that. You could technically do that. And it does count it right, actually. So if you want to do it like that, you can. All right. That was all your skills. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.